Hello everybody. Today we are fletching some arrows. And so we're putting on some new pink veins, the PCA saber veins. We're going to show you our process and how we get them to fly straight and stay on the shaft.
That's pretty good.
You bet. Alright, so to start off, we clean our shafts. We're using a little alcohol wipe. Clean the shaft so you don't get no skin oils or residue left.
What jig are you
there.
using?
This is a Bitzenburger jig.
Okay.
So with the Bitzenburger jig, you got this clamp and you slide the veins on using the clamp. So we'll put a vein in there. Clamp the vein down about right at the bottom, but it's however long your arrows are or however your preference is.
Those little marks right there.
Right there.
Very helpful.
So then once it's in the clamp, we take our primer pen, prime the vein so that it stays sticking. Apply our vein glue. Just not too much, but not too little. And then use the magnet to slide it on there.
Nice.
Then we'll let that sit for about 10-15 seconds until we move on to the next side.
Easy peasy. Alright, so we're gonna do another one. Just twist it.
Twist till it clicks. Then rinse and repeat.
Pretty simple.
Alright, finished product.
Nice looking arrow. Simple, easy, fast, do it yourself. Looks nice. You like building arrows, Mason?
Oh yeah.
Do you now?
Nothing better to do on a Wednesday night.
For sure. Well, there you have it, boys and girls. Pretty simple process. Anything else you gotta say to people, Mason?
Hey, shoot your bow.
That you should.
That's it.